So at a football game, there are 320 spectators. That means there's 300 people there watching the game, okay? Out of those 320 people, 75% of those people, the total number of people, are cheering for the home team. So let's figure out the first part of this. I want to know how many people are cheering for the home team. That's the first thing we want to figure out. 75% of the total people at the game are cheering for the home team. So how would I figure that out? 75% of how many people are at the game, Kareem?
What?
How many people are at the game?
320.
Okay, so we have to figure out what is the number. How many people are cheering for the home team? We're told a percentage. 75% of the total people are cheering for the home team. So like Dave just said, I have to do 75 divided by 100 because I need to turn that into a decimal. Right? To calculate percent, we need to turn that into a decimal. Of means multiply. The total people at the game are 320. So how many people are cheering for the home team? Yes. 240 people are cheering for the home team, but that's not what they're asking. So we know altogether there are 240 people cheering for the home team, but now they tell us of those home team fans, so there's 240 people that are home team fans, 40% of those people are students. So we need to figure out how many people are cheering for the home team that are students. So we're trying to find students cheering for home team. So what is the sentence I need to set up to calculate that? Yes. 40% of the home team fans. Well, we figured out how many home team fans are there. Like Abigail just said, there are 240 home team fans. 40% of those people are actually students. So the rest of them are not students. So we have to figure out how many of them are students. What would I do to calculate 40% of 240? I need to turn this number into a decimal. Remember, percents out of 100. That's the same as writing 40 out of 100, or what? 0.4. So to calculate 40% of 240, I'm going to do 0.4. What does of represent? Multiply by 240 equals 96. So the answer was not A. A represented just the home team fans. The answer was not B or C. The answer was D. Raise your